Hi there, students. Chill. Normally a verb or a noun. It could be an adjective, but more often the adjective is chilly. Okay, so chill. If you chill something, you cool it down, but you don't let it freeze. So to chill something is to cool it down. So please put chill the champagne in the fridge and chill the glasses as well. If you put the glasses in the freezer, it's not a problem as well because they could freeze or they can chill. When you make the pastry for your pizza, make it and then put it in the fridge for 10 minutes to chill before you use it. Okay, chill the dessert after making it. So to cool down, to refrigerate. And then, okay, to chill. The cold weather could chill you. It makes you feel very cold. The January wind chilled me to the bone. I came home completely chilled. Also, though, you could use chill in this way to mean to frighten as well. So it chilled me. The thought of making a speech chilled me. It made me feel cold. So it frightens you. Something you hear or say or feel chills you. It makes you feel cold. There was a coldness in the things that he said that chilled me to the marrow of my bones. It depressed, it disheartened. Something could send a chill. Now we're talking about a noun. It sent a chill through you. The problems in the American and Chinese economies have sent a chill through all of the European economies. This sends chills down my spine. It makes me afraid. Well, that could also be good. Yeah, her touch sent chills down my spine. That would be very positive. But normally it's a shiver, goose flesh. Ooh, yeah. It chills me to think of what they're doing. Okay, a frisson. Yeah, her touch sends shivers down my spine, but it doesn't actually chill me. Okay, you could catch a chill. Yeah, my nanny always used to say that if you go out without a coat, you're going to catch a chill. Yeah. I went to the outdoor concert and I got wet and I then caught a chill. Okay, chill weather, chill winds are rather unpleasant. Okay, there was a chill in the weather. It was cold, and then notice to chill out, to relax. Yeah, this is the one you always. So I'm going to chill out with my friends. Relax, chill. Don't get upset. Take a chill pill. Yeah, just relax and take a chill pill. Okay, imaginary pill that you take that calms you down. Yeah, but just chill out. It's okay. It's not going to be a problem. He's a really chill guy. He's a really cool guy. So notice the word cool. He's cool and he's chill. It's the same meaning. It's just gone a little bit further. Okay, so a chill wind, moderately cold or chilly. To chill, to make something cold but not to freeze. To chill out with your friends, or maybe we should chill this weekend. We should hang out. We should spend time together. Okay, so to chill, to cool something down, but not to freeze it. To chill, to lower the temperature, to chill, to relax. It's okay to calm down. I do wish everybody would chill out a little bit. I do wish they would chill. And then chill. Okay, a chill wind, a chill greeting. Yeah. A rather chilly reception. Okay, so dampening, a chill. Yeah. The bad news put a chill on the party. Okay, let's see. Formality. So, if we're talking about cold, then I would give it a 5 in formality. But notice, just chill out, take a chill pill. All of these 3 in formality, use informally. Otherwise, chill is a chill wind. 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And let's see, it comes from Old English, ciele or kele, coldness, from Proto-Germanic kalis, meaning to be cold. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Chill.